Hello and welcome to Bookflow'S third video tutorial. In this video we will go through starting a new book conversion and we'll talk about the Bookflow'S metadata details. From the home page, you can click on the book title to find its corresponding Bookflows. Here you can edit your Bookflows. You can make edits to your Bookflow at any point in time except for when it's processing. The Bookflow will go into processing mode whenever it moves from one step to another in the production process. Most of the time, the processing will only take a few moments, and you will not be able to edit the metadata then. This is because editing the metadata will impact the way the book is processed and then checked. If you've purchased a plan, you will have a number of conversion credits available to you, and you can spend these credits on Bookflows. If you click on this icon, you'll be able to see how many conversion credits you have left to use in your plan. You can choose whether to use one of your credits towards this Bookflow and from which purchase plan you would like to select this from. You can also upgrade your conversion credits that you've already used. For example, you can upgrade from a basic to a pro plan. You can also duplicate the Bookflow. This is useful if you want to test different things out and make changes while still preserving a document in its current state as well as its conversions. You can have a limited number of copies of the same Bookflow. One thing to keep in mind is that if you have already used a credit on that Bookflow, this will not be duplicated along with the Bookflow you're duplicating. The arrow icon serves as a restart button. It will become active as soon as you have uploaded a document to the Bookflow. If you click on it, it will restart the Bookflow from scratch by importing the already uploaded document again. You also have the option to delete a Bookflow anytime you want by clicking on the following icon. This will delete all the associated files and you will lose the conversion credit that you spent on it. By clicking on this icon, you'll be able to edit the Bookflow's metadata. You'll be given the option to change the name of the Bookflow and access the following 4 categories: cover image, metadata, accessibility information, and urchin tracking module or UTM. Let's have a closer look at the first step. If your document already contains a cover image, Bookflow will automatically upload this as your Bookflow's cover image. If you prefer, you can also upload your own image file from your computer or choose to auto-generate one with Bookflow's own algorithm. This is a project done in collaboration with the New York Public Library. Bookflow will automatically assign an alternative text for your cover image, but you can choose to add in your own. This next step is particularly important if you're building an accessible ebook, as the information you provide here will define the metadata for your ebook. We already talked about uploading ONIX 3 metadata files for your book in our previous video tutorial. If you've already done so, this will populate with the metadata you provided on that file. If you haven't uploaded an ONIX 3 metadata file, you will need to complete this step by filling in the following fields: book title, author, language. This will be the primary language that your book is written in. Bookflow will generate the associated metadata information in whatever language you have selected as primary in this field. Bookflow accommodates a lot of different languages. This includes left to right languages as well as right to left languages. If you prefer languages not included within this list of available options, please get in touch with us. You will also want to select one more language if you use a secondary language at any point throughout your ebook. This information is used to automatically identify and mark up when the secondary language is used, and is important for creating an accessible ebook, especially for tools like the text-to-speech feature, in which language annotations are used to indicate when pronunciation should switch from one language to another. Other fields you should fill out are your copyright information, publishing date, ISBN 13 number, publisher name, as well as a small description of the book. This is where you would write your short marketing blurb. The accessibility information section will only be relevant to you if you're planning on creating an ebook. Here you can enter the accessibility certifying authority that gives the stamp of approval for your ebook's accessibility. If you leave this field empty, it will say that the ebook has been certified by Bookflows. Bookflows is not a certifying authority, but it does guarantee AA conformity by design. In the following field, you can offer a brief summary of your ebook's accessibility features. You can choose to input your own or leave it blank, as Bookflows will generate this on its own. You'll need to be on the Enterprise plan to enable the Urchin Tracking Module or UTM features. Again, this is auto-generated by Bookflows. You can add the tracking values to your ebook to enable some of the marketing functionalities. As an author or publisher, you'll be able to use these to track how people use marketing links within the ebook. To keep track of this information, we recommend that you fill in the following fields: source, medium, campaign, just like you would do for any other marketing campaign tracking. Once you've made your changes, click the Update Bookflow button to save, or follow the Back to All Bookflows link to abandon your changes and return to the list of Bookflows. Now that we have discovered how to edit your book's metadata, let's start uploading your first book. By clicking on the book title link, you'll be directed to the next step in the process, where you'll be able to upload a document file from your computer. After the book has been fully uploaded, Bookflows will then go on to process it, and it will take your Bookflow to the next step. That's it for now. In our next video, we will talk about how Bookflows cleans up and structures your book, and how you can review and adjust the results to bring out the best of your book. Thank you for watching.